Today, we are at our London headquarters, 8 Bishopsgate, with clients, colleagues and partners discussing how software, technology and a better use of data can deliver infrastructure faster, more efficiently and more impactfully.
There's been a lot of noise in the industry over recent years around digital twins theoretically and what might be possible, and it was great to see an actual case study where they're actually leveraging some of the benefits that have been spoken about. I think there's a lot of things there that we can take away today and go and perhaps test and deploy on other projects in other areas.
All the different organisations that were presented today had something different to offer, but all in the same ecosystem of Bentley software. It really showed the boundaries that can happen with open cities, SYNCHRO and iTwin and intelligent modelling.
The highlight is the presentation using the capabilities of the Unreal Engine with iTwin. The capabilities of that to simulate the real environment and to be able to explore it in such a safe way is unbelievably exciting.
Bentley Systems has been fundamental in our digital transformation journey. It has enabled us to visualise a large swathe of railway through different tools, from site reporting and SYNCHRO to 4D modelling to looking at 3D reality data and point cloud, so we can make more informed decisions.
I think that the key digital trend from today's session for me is just all around data. We need to be looking at the data we're collecting today, but also the legacy data, how we can make use of that and make better decisions for tomorrow.
I think an awful lot of our digital trends are going to involve looking in the virtual world. There was a good presentation earlier on today regarding how we're going to maximise our reality data through gaming engines and Unity, but in response to that as well as how we look at Internet of Things and how we look at the different data sets that we as a business have and visualise them through that medium.
Bentley has been instrumental in assisting Smart ECU. They're project sponsors of Digital Twin with the Insight Centre for Data Analytics, and their assistant has transformed us from talking about things to be able to implement it. Bentley have brought us into the space age.
Today's digital delivery session has been just an opportunity to see from industry peers how they're using digital technologies, data, and I think new skills, especially about information management, to really address lots of problems within industry and society, driving real value in terms of better performance for assets, but also how they're helping in terms of decarbonisation as well.